Hi guys, and this is again the first lecture of Scala coding, and we will go through the various the topics and the exercises. Not and so it would cover the knowing the when and how to aptly use the statefulness, and agenda would be like principal, uniform access, Scala modifier, custom properties, role and scope modifier, dangerous statefulness, caching, and whenever we do calculations and we don't want to do again and again, we can keep as caching and best practice when. So in this lecture we are going for the principles of uniform access. Okay, so principle of uniform access means all service offers by the modulo should available through the uniform notation, which does not try whether they are implemented through the storage or through the computation. Let me give that this is the example. So here this is the conversion kilos to pound. I have defined the constant, and here the class, and it's take argument weights in kilo and doubles, and it convert into weight in pound. So when I'm calling here potato, I'm assigning, then when I'm using weight in kilo and weight in pound, so both are same way to calling, right? So this is already we have a passing, this is the pre-existing value, and this is the. So let's execute this code, right? So if you see here conversions, okay, so conversion found is the 2.4. it written here this value, and then define the class, then p1 potato this way, then p1 double 7.5, then this way, and then again we define class and person weight in found similarly way. And so there is here is the we are computation, and here is predefined, so there is no difference how to call these parameter. It's not required like unless brackets